In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a button round on Shopify Dawn theme. For this example, I'm going to be making this shop all button round. At the moment, it's a rectangle. So yeah, what you want to do first is head over to your Shopify editor of the Dawn theme. I'm already here, like I said already. Once you have loaded the front page, head over to the very left-hand side of the screen, which is where you will see sections, theme settings, and then app embeds. I want you to focus on the second button right here that says theme settings. Click on that, and then from these settings, I want you to look for buttons right here. As you can see, it's option number 6 for me. So I'm going to click on that, and then a bunch of other button specific options are going to appear. So the one you want to pay attention to here is corner radius. As you can see, currently it's set to 0 pixels, hence why there's 0 rounding around the edges of my button right here. However, if we, for example, set this to 10, just like that, and click away from it, give it a couple of seconds to load, we will see that the button has started to round. And if I just increase this to 20, we will see that the button will round even more. Give it a couple of seconds, and here it is. It's rounded even more. But yeah, feel free to play around with this and basically round the button as much as you want. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to round the button on Shopify Dawn theme. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.